the semi-finals at these World Team.
Japan is back stronger than ever at the World Team Championships 2026. The men's team event at the World Team Table Tennis Championships 2026 has been absolutely exciting to watch. Every day brings dramatic matches, unexpected momentum swing, and incredible individual performances. But one thing has become very clear to many table tennis fans around the world. Team Japan is very strong this year. For many years, Japanese table tennis has produced unforgettable players. Fans still remember the era of Koki Niwa with his magical touch and creativity, alongside Jun Mitsutani, the player who helped change the history of Japanese table tennis with his fighting spirit and Olympic success. That generation inspired a new wave of young players. Now a new generation has arrived and they may be even more dangerous. Led by Tomokazu Harimoto and the talented young star Sora Matsushima, Team Japan looks faster, more aggressive, and mentally stronger than ever before. Their recent victory over Germany proved that this team is not just talented, but also capable of handling pressure on the biggest stage. At the same time, Taiwan shocked many fans by defeating Sweden. With players like Lin Yunju, they remain one of the most dangerous teams in the tournament. Lin Yunju especially has the ability to change the entire momentum of a team match by himself. Looking ahead to the semi-finals, the predictions become extremely interesting. For China versus Korea and China versus France, many fans still believe China remains the favorite. Wang Chuqin is expected to secure 2 points almost every time he steps onto the court. His confidence and power have been impressive throughout the tournament. Young superstar Lin Xidong also looks ready for the big stage and could provide the crucial third point China needs. Against France, the challenge will be exciting because of the explosive talent of Felix Lebrun, but overall China still appears deeper and more balanced. A 3-1 victory for China seems realistic. The most unpredictable match may be Japan versus Chinese Taipei. On paper, this could easily become a 5-match thriller. Lin Yunju has the ability to defeat both Harimoto and Matsushima if he performs at his best. However, Japan may still have the stronger overall lineup. Much could depend on Shunsuke Togami. If Togami regains his confidence and form, Japan has a real path to victory. If not, the pressure on Harimoto and Sora become enormous. A narrow 3-2 victory for Japan feels possible, but this matchup could truly go either way. As for the final, China remains the team to beat. If China faces Japan, the battle could become surprisingly close. Harimoto's speed and aggressive backhand can trouble anyone, while Sora's fearless style gives Japan another dangerous weapon. Lin Xidong may face difficulties in those matches, especially under the pressure of a world final. In that scenario, China could still escape with a tense 3-2 victory. If China faces Chinese Taipei instead, the matchup may be more comfortable. Lin Xidong has already shown strong performances against Lin Yunju in recent meetings, and China's depth could simply be too much over 5 matches. A 3-1 or even 3-0 result would not be surprising. No matter what happens next, one thing is certain. The World Team Championships 2026 has already delivered unforgettable moments, and Team Japan has proven that a new era of Japanese table tennis has truly arrived.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.